Okay, this is the bad potentiometer board. So I've got, it's kind of hard to see, but this thing is a spring clamp. It's clamped onto the wiper pin and this left pin. So it would be these two pins on the bottom of the pot, on the bottom side of the board. So if I sweep this around, so this is the fully counterclockwise, giving me 18.7 kilo ohms. And you can see it's actually looking better right now than it did when I first checked it. But as you can see, it's just kind of hanging out about the same resistance value roughly. It goes up, it goes down, and it gets real noisy right there. Which kind of explains the inconsistent AC welds I was getting. Like I said, it looks a lot better right now than it did when I first checked this, but so maybe it has to do with the speed at which I turn it. Okay, try the new board. New board works a lot better.